In front of me is VIVO V40 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called LaunchOS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, you don't have to open it, just exit Play Store and go into Devices Settings. Now scroll down to hit Apps and scroll down again, this time to select Default Apps. Now it's time to hit Home app over here and tap on Launcher Pro to apply it. Then wait for the pop-up and tap on Allow All. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. To make any changes to it, just go into Launcher app. To go back to your default launcher, you need to go back to the same settings. Then select System Home Screen and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!